Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Listen, I just want to say thank you guys for start liking, subscribing. I know you guys have been supporting the channel very much. So today we're gonna present to you the newest feature of the fourth official. That is the fan cam feature, fam. The fan cams are coming. Go to the games. We're at Old Trafford. Outside is very cold, so we go inside right now and listen. So listen, today we're going to talk to our very first guest in terms of fan cam. We're going to present to him in a second, but first of all, make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe for brand new. Referee, blow the whistle. Let's go. Listen, people. Today, I want to present to you biggest, baddest Manchester United fan you'll ever meet. Yeah? Present to you Soldier Boy, Rome. Bro, what's up?
Yeah.
Why go else, brother? The baddest Manchester United fan you ever meet. Fam. Me the only Manchester United. Well, go man, yeah, man, blessed one. Well, go, good. Manaz, man. Manaz. What you saying, man? What you saying? Alright. So what do you think about the game? What do I think about this game? First of all, let me say this clear. Man, clear. Onana, you save your life there, fam. 2, 3, clear, goal in the man and get. And you save them. I tell the truth. You, because I would have 3 love in the first half, my brother. You would have been 3 love in the first half. Yeah, we got to get our own goal. Yeah, I'm going to play cycles and make like box. But Onana, them saves that you made. Because that the man that we play left, this is centre back, Yoyo. Yoro. The man that run Yoyo like a baby whole game, fam. Yo, I'm alone, see? I can't the man I run Yoyo like a baby. I'm playing like a Yoyo the whole game for watch out. See me my Yoyo, brother. Fam, me don't know that you there, but you bad no blood. Yo. Fam. Yo, I tell you the truth. First half was shit. Remember, Kobe Menu say in an interview say he rather get a one goal and get cut off at halftime. And guess what? Kobe will get cut off at halftime party because he might play like shit the whole first half, brother. 5 minutes later, guess who get taken off? Who got it? This coach, this blood clot coach, not take no talk from nobody, fam. The man not take no talk from nobody. Either you play or you're out of the team, fam. Listen to me, either you play or you're out of the blood clot team, brother. The man, yo, fam, I was livid the entire game, bro. Every chance you get him fluxy. Every chance I get. Let me calm down before me say this. Last time, me say Garnacho levels up on the floor. I don't know, but listen, Garnacho levels up on my toe part. That the chance of him getting that first half, if you score. Bruno get a chance if you score. Yeah? The Brazilian Fiji spinner, that fi score. Xerxes get a run on, he keep him and the defender alone. Switch him, then try to score 4 man. Score the blood, clap ball already. Fam, I don't know what going with these people, but yo, we need for the better, fam. We need to score the goal them, score the blood clot goal them, fam. Score the goal them, brother. Score, yo, fam. Them need for the better. No, fast out to the 86 minutes. Here comes Baras, God, Ahmad Diallo. Listen, you Ahmad Diallo, you. I said, I have a bomber. You Ahmad Diallo, fam. see that third goal? 90 something minutes, and the man still a run. Still a blood clot run. Defender get a heavy touch, poops, run on him. Goal. Yo! Ahmad Diallo. You know, long Manchester United score a chicken at Bumbucker Premier League. Ahmad Diallo. Real quick. Who do you think Manchester United should be buying this summer argument though? This winter, sorry. Where do you think Manchester United should be buying? Who I want for the summer? Few months. Listen, I want them to get rid of Rashford. Not for summer, for the winter, yeah, next couple of weeks. I want to get rid of Rashford. I want to get rid of Garnacho. I want to go pay the money to get Eze or Semenya from Bournemouth. Yeah. Our garden, them cheap people, they must just pay the money and get them cheap. Because they bat them right footed, number 10, right now, number 10 position where you need him. If you hold on the ball, run, pass, everything he can do. But Semenya bad, no blow up and left and right. You know? So does Eze. And so is Garden, fam. You have 3 options in the Premier League experience. What more you want? Listen, go ahead, get those guys, fam. Go ahead and get those guys. Other than that, Manchester United, you have me just up on my fatigue because me have to fight today. War. But bless up yourself and bless up others. Manaz.